Hello everybody, we are at 501 Brady Lofts in Davenport, Iowa. I'm here to give you a virtual tour of Unit 206. This is a 2-bedroom unit. When you walk in, you have a bathroom on the left, which is a full-size bathroom. The vanity drawers here pull out. So you've got lots of storage space. You've got the tub shower combo. It's got the tiled surround, which is very nice. You've got some linen shelving. Lots of linen shelves in the bathroom here. This is one of 2 bathrooms. When you enter through the right, you enter into the kitchen living area. So you've got a full kitchen appliance package. You've also got a coat closet when you enter as well. So for coats, shoes, vacuums, brooms, mops. Stainless steel appliances. Comes with your microwave, automatic ice maker. Lots of cabinetry. You've got a dishwasher, garbage disposals. This is a nice feature with the faucets, with the pull-out nozzles. There are ceiling fans. You've got the industrial tubes for an industrial look from your heating and cooling. Every unit has a washer and dryer. This leads into one of the bedrooms. This would be the secondary bedroom. So nice large bedroom. Show you the space there. You've got ceiling fans. You've got a huge walk-in closet. Ton of space in here. Got some industrial lighting up there. Shelving that goes all the way around. I'll back up to give you a full-size view. It's a split floor plan, so you have another bedroom on this end. You've got the industrial sliding doors, which is nice. Gives it an industrial look for the doors. So this would be the master bedroom. You've also got a ceiling fan in this bedroom. Lots of space. This will lead into the master bathroom, which has the stand-up shower. Tiled surround. Same vanity options with the pull-out drawers. You have a huge walk-in closet in this one as well, right off of the bathroom. The flooring at 501 Brady is concrete flooring. It's a polished concrete. Comes with window coverings, neutral paint. I'm going to give you a view from this angle. You've got city views from your apartment, which is cool. You've got some historical buildings. So this is a 2-bedroom split floor plan at 501 Brady in Davenport, Iowa.